Hi, my name is Lee Lazarow, and I'm the IBM Planning Analytics Practice Director at Revelwood. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Zoom functionality in your PAW visualizations. The great thing about PAW charts is that you can start with a very, very large data set and quickly make it into a visualization. And based on that approach, this will allow you to start seeing things. You can see trends, you can see patterns. And while that's a great use of technology, it's a little bit hard for humans to interact with that. For example, what you could see on the screen right now is you could see that this is a real simple view. This is going to show us net income by period. But there's a lot of periods that we're looking at. We're looking at every month from 2015, 16, all the way down through 2020. So because of the fact that this is a giant data set, this would probably be a little bit better to make as a visualization. So to create it as a visualization, it's as simple as clicking the option for visualization, and we'll change it. Let's just change it to a line chart. Okay. By changing this to a line chart gives us the ability to now easily see a really high level overview over time. Okay. Now, we could spend a lot of time formatting this in various ways. We can insert commas, we can insert colors, we can change the dots, all the different formatting aspects. Okay. But the main takeaway is this is still kind of hard to analyze because there's so much data. Because of this, IBM introduced a Zoom bar that allows us to focus on a subset of this visualization. So the way that we can create a Zoom bar is to edit this, simply enable the option. I'm going to turn on edit mode, and then within the chart, I'm going to go into properties. Within the properties, I'm going to go into the chart area, and the way that we enable a Zoom bar is as simple as clicking on the option that says Enable Zoom Bar. I'm going to enable it. Okay? I'm going to close up my properties. I'm going to turn off my edit mode just to bring this back to normal use. And one of the pieces that now comes into play is there's a giant scroll bar at the top. And this scroll bar gives me the ability to dig a little bit further. Maybe I want to see a little bit more of the data just within this range. And now I can navigate. Now I can filter into what do I want for the left? What do I want for the right? I want my left to start somewhere right around here, so I'm simply just going to grab the Zoom bar, and as I bring the Zoom bar over, what's happening is the data set is defining my start. It's defining a range for me to start at, and maybe I want an end to happen right around here. I could do the exact same thing for the end size. By doing something like that now makes it a little bit easier to read. I can look into my specific months. I can actually see the data. I could start seeing a little bit more of the dips. I can point to a specific value, and as I point to the values, I could see various aspects of it with the pop-up. Okay? Using this approach allows me to get a much closer look at a specific area. In this case, I could see more details about the dip in 2017. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you learned something new about PAW visualizations. If you have any other questions about Planning Analytics Workspace or anything associated with your planning process, please contact us at info@revelwood.com.